In Safari, we can now set up separate profiles within the app. Each profile can have its own set of tab groups, extensions, and history, allowing the browsing experience to be tailored to specific needs or specific users. We can add and manage profiles from Safari settings and the Profiles tab. Click the Start button to create a new profile. The first profile you create will actually be the second profile saved. There's going to be a default profile called Personal that will have the currently set up start page, tab groups, bookmarks, settings, etc. I'm going to name this profile Drew, and then we can select a symbol for the profile and a color. This color will appear in the background of the start page for this profile and up in the toolbar where we will be able to switch between profiles. We then get the option to create a new empty bookmarks folder or bring in an existing folder. For this profile, I'm going to bring in my existing favorites folder. That creates the Drew profile, and notice here in settings, we also have this default personal profile. This has all the original Safari settings, and we can change the name of this default profile once another profile has been created. It can't be deleted though. So we currently have one Safari window using the Drew profile, and the window behind it using the default personal profile. None of the tab groups from the default profile came over to the new one, but we can easily move these to the Drew profile. Just click on the ellipsis to the right of each tab group and then move to Profile. I'm going to move all four of these tab groups to the Drew profile and then close the Personal Profile window. Now the Drew profile has access to these tab groups, and they can be edited or added to as needed. Next, let's add a profile called Work. Again, we can assign a symbol and color. And this time I'm going to start with a new empty bookmarks folder. Notice the green color that I assigned for the work profile is in the start page and the profiles button. From here, we can now switch between the three profiles. While using the work profile, I could now start setting up its own set of tab groups and bookmarks. Back in Settings, we can control what Safari extensions are active or inactive in each profile. If I activate Grammarly for the Drew profile, we can see the icon added in the toolbar in the window running that profile, but not here in the Work Profile window. All extensions added in Safari are going to be available for every profile, but can be activated or deactivated separately. We can add a new window for any profile from the Profiles button here, or from up in the File menu, New Window. I think profiles will work well for those that want to separate their own browsing between personal or work, and I think those that share a Mac with other family members will enjoy being able to create separate profiles for each user.